Now we will felicitate our
of honor. And I welcome you all.
Professor kindly honor our
services in Manipur.
as a guest of honor, and Dr.
We have people from all walks
Of RIMS as a guest of honor.
of blood.
Guest of honor.
progressive guests and our respected and before we will depart, we will have a
in academic. The theme that we have talked about, give blood, give hope, together we save lives. Each year on this day we come together not just to celebrate and honor the spirit of voluntary blood donation, but also to remind ourselves that the critical role in saving lives, strengthening communities and fostering humanity. At RIMS Imphal, we understand firsthand how vital a safe and sufficient blood supply is to our healthcare system. Every drop donated can mean a difference between life and death. For accident victims, the mothers of childbirth, children with thalassemia, cancer patients, many others who rely on the transfusion as a part of their treatment. This year's theme that we have talked about beautifully captures the essence of what voluntary blood donors do. You are not just donating blood, you are giving someone a chance, a future, and above all, and hope to survive. I want to take this opportunity to express my deepest appreciations and admiration for all the voluntary blood donors and donor organizations. And we are very proudly being associated as one of the biggest provider of blood in our state. And we all see that every year we face, like presently we have the pandemic, you can say, of dengue. And we, as a provider, we are trying our best to have a self-sufficient without any replacement. We want to give blood to all who require this, be donors, be ambassadors of hope, be the reason someone gets a second chance in life. Let us pledge today that we will not let a life be lost for want of blood. Let us stand together, stronger, kinder, and more compassionate as we continue to spread the message. Give blood, give hope, together we save lives.